Hello, this is Craig Resnick, Vice President, ARC Advisory Group. We're here at the Orlando 2013 Forum. My special guest today is Russ Agrusa, President and CEO of Iconics. How you doing today, Russ?
Very great, very good. Thank you very much, Craig.
Now it's a new year, 2013. What's a new key initiative that you've taken at Iconics as we start this new year?
This year we have a very big initiative on energy and sustainability. We're doing a number of very large projects with some very large Fortune 100 companies, and that's a hot topic with sustainability in the forefront of the news.
You know, I think sustainability and regulatory compliance, we all know how important they are. You just mentioned it. How are you in your solutions at Iconics helping your customers meet their sustainability requirements?
Well, for the last 20 years, we've been involved in a lot of building automation projects. We have over 45,000 systems installed in building controls. So it's a natural for us to help customers in meeting their regulatory requirements. There's a lot of new requirements coming down from the EPA on energy conservation and carbon emissions, and we have some great products specifically designed for this.
Now, I know that one thing you always have prided yourself at Iconics is being in the forefront from technology's perspective. What are the technologies that you see are in demand in the marketplace, and some of the technologies, the newer technologies you'll be providing your customers?
Well, there's really three technologies that we're focused in this year. There is running on any glass and any device using HTML5. So we have a new HMI SCADA product based on HTML5 that delivers content to virtually any device in a seamless, frictionless fashion. A second one is our analytics products, being able to take big data and huge amounts of information that have been collected from various historians and turning that into valuable information that can help people in addressing their issues. And the third is cloud computing, being able to deliver this data into the cloud and connect people wherever they may be.
You know, one of the things as a software vendor in the industrial automation space, what do you see as the big challenges that you have going forward?
I would say as a software company, the largest challenge is running multi-language, being able to supply products for many different markets in China, in the Chinese language, or in Japan, or in Europe, in the US. We get a little spoiled in the US where everything is in English, but at the end of the day, the operators work in their native language and they need things in that native language.
I know you've had a long relationship with the OPC Foundation, and we know how important standards are to Iconics. But as far as helping your customers to deploy standards, what do you see as some of the things you can provide them to kind of help them with that challenge of deploying standards?
Well, the most important thing here is compliance. Products need to be compliant so that they can plug and play together. There are in the OPC Foundation, and I've been working with them for over 10 years. We find there are thousands of products that are not compliant. So when you plug them together, they just don't work, and customers get very frustrated. So compliance is a big issue. Recently, we've been we're one of the few products that is BACnet Advanced Workstation certified. Very extensive process and certification for BACnet. This helps our energy sustainability building automation customers achieve their goals.
You've talked a lot about energy, and what kind of plans do you see that your products help your customers as far as providing them the kind of dashboards that they need? Because obviously they have to go back and be able to get capital expenditure money to deploy some of these projects. Sometimes it's operational expenditure money. How does some of your software tools help them come up with some of the provide the metrics that they need to help justify the investment?
Well, if you can't see what's happening, you can't solve the problem. So dashboards are critical in this process, but also giving phenomenal, very rich, dazzling dashboards is not enough. Giving people analytics where you're helping troubleshoot and look through massive amounts of data and delivering the insight into what's going on is something that's really hot right now. And the ROI for this is pretty apparent when you run the numbers, how quickly the return on that investment is achieved.
One of the things you've always had as a company, you've always had a very close association with Microsoft. I know you're a gold partner. What are some of the initiatives that you'll be providing your customers that are based on some of the latest Microsoft technologies?
Well, Microsoft just launched its Windows 8 platform, and as part of that, we've been a launch partner there. We were also the 2012 Sustainability Partner of the Year. Over 3,000 companies apply for this prestigious award. We're rolling out our solution across the Microsoft campus and working closely with them on their Energy Smart Buildings, Energy Smart Campus initiative.
So you actually see, in many cases, you're evolving as a company, to beyond just purely manufacturing. I mean, you see building automation, facility management as a major new initiative for Iconics going forward?
It's a very large initiative. We've always been in that, and it's been about 10% of our business. But with this new efforts worldwide in energy and sustainability, that's grown to about 20% of our total business.
Thank you very much, Russ. This is just meeting with Russ Agrusa, President and CEO of Iconics. And I'm Craig Resnick, ARC Advisory Group from the Orlando 2013 Forum. Thanks and have a great day.